The kind of clay that we're using today is an air drying or self-drying clay. This clay is going to dry, it's called porcelain, so it's going to dry very bright white, which makes it nice for when we're painting later. It gives us a really nice bright surface so that the paint really shines. There are some other options as well. You could use a terracotta self-drying clay. That has a darker red color. Sometimes it's a little bit harder to cover with the paints, or it takes a few more coats. The porcelain is actually the best choice if you plan to paint. There are also some other options. The other options are celluclay, which is a newspaper mixture with glue that is harder to manipulate, and I don't recommend it as much for children. There's also, if you have access to a pottery studio or ceramic studio, you could work with the kind of clay that you have to fire. That's actually a lot more difficult, and I don't recommend it for children. It takes a lot longer. We have more drying time, weight lines, things like that. So I like to use the air drying clay.